How to edit YouTube videos for maximum watch time in 2026. Pacing plus retention tricks. Did you know that most YouTube videos lose 50% of viewers in the first 30 seconds? The difference between a video that gets 1,000 views and one that gets 1 million often comes down to editing. Today, I'll show you how to edit your YouTube videos for maximum watch time in 2026 using powerful pacing and retention tricks. Part 1. The first 10 seconds rule. The most important part of your video is the first 10 seconds. If viewers feel bored, they'll click away instantly. Here's what you should do instead. Start with a strong hook. Show a preview of the best moment in the video. Ask a curiosity-driven question. Example: instead of saying, "Welcome back to my channel," say something like, "This editing trick doubled my YouTube watch time in just 1 week." That instantly creates curiosity. Part 2. Fast pacing. Editing. Slow videos kill watch time. In 2026, successful YouTube videos follow a fast pacing style. That means remove long pauses, cut filler words like or so, change visuals every 3 to 5 seconds. Quick cuts keep viewers' brains stimulated and engaged. Part 3. Pattern interrupts. Another powerful trick is using pattern interrupts. A pattern interrupt is anything that breaks viewer boredom. Examples include zoom effects, sound effects, text animations, memes, or B-roll clips. These small changes reset the viewer's attention and prevent drop-offs. Part 4. Visual storytelling. Talking directly to the camera is good, but great videos combine talking plus visuals. Add B-roll footage, screenshots, graphics, on-screen captions. This helps viewers understand faster and keeps them visually engaged. Part 5. The open loop trick. One of the best retention strategies is called open loops. This means teasing something interesting before revealing it later. Example: later in this video, I'll show you the editing trick that most creators don't know about. Now viewers stay longer because they want the answer. Part 6. The final retention boost. At the end of your video, don't just say goodbye. Instead, tease the next video. Ask a question. Give viewers a reason to keep watching. This helps push viewers to your next video, which YouTube loves. If you want more views on YouTube in 2026, remember this: great videos aren't just about what you say. They're about how you edit. Master pacing, retention tricks, and storytelling, and your watch time will grow dramatically. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more YouTube growth and editing strategies.